Hello, chat. Testing 1, 2. Testing. Good morning. Good morning. We are live. Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We are live. Totino, good morning. Jake Dell, Timbo, Michael, good morning. Black Coffee Trader, good to see you. Oh, Black Coffee, did you see what happened last year at this time? Oh man, that made me. Jack Wiley, Micro Player, Dean Bishop, Francis, good morning. Sean Trader, Sparrow, Cost D1, Tristan, Touchdown, SRQ Trader, good morning. Will Laguth, good morning. Scottish Futures Trader, good morning. Clee, Eagle Eye, Golf Guy Mike, good morning, Golf Guy Mike. I can't wait. I can't wait till my new driver is ready, which actually reminds me, I want to see if I have an update on when I can pick up my driver, my new driver. Can I not see? All right. Sorry, I'm distracted. All of a sudden, I wanted to check, see, can I see when my driver's supposed to come? All right. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Bella. Good morning, Bella. It was always the club's fault. Exactly. Actually, you know what, Golf Guy Mike? I say that, but that was actually true. Yeah, actually, it was the shaft's fault. I don't want to get on a 10-minute discussion about shafts again. I don't want to go down that rabbit hole again, but yes, it was the shaft's fault. It was verified. Good morning, Rosie Rose. Good morning, Old One Prime, Clee, Niles, Jay Jackson, Eagle Eye. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? We had a great overnight session. Oh, these are the overnight sessions that I dream about. Oh, I could have made, I always say this, but I'm serious. I took my profits here, my final, I think, at the 750s. And we went all the way down to the 400s. This market is crazy. Okay, this is what I'm looking for today. The overnight session happened finally. What I was looking for to happen yesterday. Good morning, John, Tech11, Niles, Clarity Trader, Philip, Gutenberg, Brad Finn, Lawrence. Good morning, everybody. I want to see us retest at like the 650s. I'm hoping we go higher right here at the open, and then I'm going to look for shorts again. I know it's kind of crazy to do this 2 days in a row, but it's my story and I'm sticking to it. I want to see a retest of the even the 650s, like almost retest the VWAP. And then if we get a short opportunity, I'm going to try to be a little bit more patient with my shorts today. And the other thing I got to do better than I did yesterday is this strategy is only good until 10:30. After 10:15, then I need to reevaluate and just go with the trend. I don't want to be fighting the trend at, after 10:30. So, all right, there we go. 600s. 600s being tested, 640s. Here goes the VWAP. Now, this is where I might try. Oh, come on, don't. Well, so far we're getting it. Good morning. The nut house is open for business. Yeah, the shaft shafted me. That's right, Niles. That's right. All right, I want to see, are we going to rip up through? I might try one micro short if we retest the VWAP here. See, I'm afraid this is going to just dump now. I'm not going to be happy if it does. All right, I'm going to take a short here. We rejected off the VWAP, kind of right, exactly what I wanted. Only going on one micro, not doing anything crazy here. I might add to it here at the 650-ish if we get a good entry, but I want to look for a big dump. Like I want 100 points is what I'm kind of looking at. This is where it would be nice to be in two contracts so I could get out of one, but dump it, market. Come on, dump it. I might take some. I'm going to take it off for now, see if we can re-enter. Makes me nervous to hold at the open. But man, that reject on the VWAP was precise. We precisely went to the VWAP at the 620s and immediately pulled back. I'm going to regret getting out of that trade, am I not? I'm going to regret this. I can already tell. It's okay though. It's okay. If we can re-enter the 640s or this like 650s, I will. Hey, good luck, John. Man, I'm gonna regret getting out of that short. I want to see what gold is doing. Oil is pulling back a little bit. Man, I wish, it's just, should have held my conviction a little bit more, chat. Oh, there's the dump I wanted. Oh. Man, I wish I had two contracts. I don't know. I should have just gone in with two. Look at that pullback. I mean, beautifully happening. Exactly what I wanted. Oh, but we only caught a little bit of it. Let's go, Niles. Nicely done. Oh, man. There's the 100 points. We could have got 100 points, man. So much easier to say. It's so much easier to say something than it is to actually do it. So much easier to say it than to actually do it. Okay, now I want to see if I mean, 500, we might get a bounce here. I don't know. I kind of want us to retest the VWAP and then fail. Maybe we can get another entry short. this still looks good for the Bears. Bulls have not really done much. We got that initial rip higher, and then it's just been, all right, maybe now this is going to rip. See if we retest the 600s here. All right, now the Bulls are trying to push this. Wow. Wow, there she goes, right back up. All right. Wow. Yeah, the Bulls are back. All right. This is where we got to be careful. Retesting the VWAP now. Do we try again? I'm going to wait. If we break above the 620s, break above the VWAP, I might need to just wait. I don't know. This could just be another... I don't know. I find it hard to believe that we're just going to rip higher again today, but I was wrong yesterday. Oh, almighty trading. I'm sorry, man. Even though you have a YouTube, well, just send him that. I'm sure I'm glad when that no longer is an issue. All right, 640s. All right. Is this really... Are we really going to just rip higher again today? Man, I just can't get it through my head that we're just going to rip this thing back up, but maybe we will. That's wild. I'm going to take another shot at it. 700s is kind of my get out card. If we rip up through the 680, 690s. Come on, market. Just, you know you want to dump it. Do it. Dump it. All right, I'm going to take that, I guess. I really need to trade a little bigger size here at the open, or at least 2 micros, so I can get out and still hold a runner. But if I'm going against the trend, I just can't. I got to take my profits or I'm going to get myself in trouble. But I like I mean, I still like the shorts here. Nicely done, Mr. Wall Street. Market will retrade. Actually, today, I'm not usually one to use the fibs, but I would use the fibs for days like today. Can we, where are my fibs? Here. So I'm just going to do the overnight. So 50% retracement is the 690s. But hey, that's another, I mean, We are pulling back again. But again, this could just be a pullback and we keep going higher, so. What is going on? Sounds like a bulldozer outside my window. Yeah, the lunar eclipse and the blood moon. I know, I did see it, Mr. Wall Street. I went out, I got up early this morning, which I was up early anyway. Honestly, I did not get a lot of sleep last night because once I saw the market moving the way it was, I did not get a lot of sleep. We took advantage of it. Look at this, chat. Look at this dump. Oh, we shorted twice. Where was our executions here? We just got to learn to hold. We shorted here, and we're not holding. I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. All right, I don't know. We're just going to wait. You trading instead and got smashed? I'm sorry, John. Wait, Blackstone redemptions on private credit products they have might spread to other parts of the market. I see. Wait, his words are truth. You're having delayed data on Tradevate? I don't think I'm not. Mine is fine. Now we just got to be patient. It's 9:43. We're basically trading inside the 15-minute range right now. I do think this is going to break down to the downside. We're going to make new lows. Am I going to take the trade? I don't know. Let's see if the maybe we retest the 500s. Man, I want to short this. Man, I might do it. I'm kind of chasing this a little bit. Oh no, did I chase this? Come on, give me lows below the 500s. Come on. I chase this a little bit. Let's break the 500s and make new lows. Come on. Dump it. Dump. I don't like this. All right, now we're going to have to get out of this stupid market. still think this goes lower, but man, I can't hold this. That was, oh, that was so bad. It's so hard to hold. Six. Ah. Yeah. I still think this goes lower, and we just literally got shook out. That's what happens when you chase the move. I can't do that. Can't be doing that in the morning, right at the open. It's gonna dump now. Watch. I knew it, chat. I knew it. I knew it was gonna rip back down. This is some crazy volatility. Man, I'm so mad. Yeah. All I had to do was just hold. All I had to do was just hold. Man, this market is crazy. 100 points up and down right now. I think this is going to dump. Hey, good morning, Bat One. Is gold is dumping? Oh, wow. Gold, new lows. I'm so upset. You gotta be kidding me, chat. We had the right idea. We had the right idea and everything, and we just chased the move. That's the problem. Man, I'm gonna have to just wait now. Let's wait, see if this thing rips down below the 400s or 480s. I can't go short again here. I just can't do it. What a crazy it was a premature excitation. Yes, it was. Very premature excitation. I just panicked. I mean, I don't even want to see where I got out. Whatever. It doesn't even show my execution now. Oh, I was on the wrong. Okay, hang on. Is it gonna? I mean, these 500s do seem like they want to hold. I am just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. Can't be doing this. Look where I stopped out, chat. That is just horrible. Absolutely disgusting. We literally got stopped. We stopped out at the 607s, and then we just went straight down to the 500s. We could be done for the day. We would literally be done for the day if I just didn't panic out. Okay, it's fine. We got to reset. Reset the brain. Reset the brain. Some crazy volatility right now. This is more what I expected yesterday. Feel like we're getting yesterday. This is kind of what I thought we would get. Lots of volatility, crazy up down moves. Is gold going parabolic? Oh, wow. Look at gold. Man, look at gold. I'm not doing it. I am not going to trade gold. Don't trade gold. I can't do it. Trying to get a rip higher right now. It looks like it wants to pump again. Get up, wipe the blood off your face, and let's go for another round. That's right, Niles. Oh, is silver getting absolutely whacked as well? Wow, let's look at silver. Silver. I think I have the wrong month. Yeah, that is not the right month. Man, okay, silver not. I mean, silver just, metals are just getting destroyed right now. It's hard to, I'm going to be patient here. Right now, this thing is so whippy. Man. I don't like that this 500 level seems to be holding. Man. It was the moon. Yeah, that's right, John. Hey, good morning, Linda. Good morning. TCM Trades, good morning. Man, gosh, I almost can't help myself. Can't help myself. I had to go short. I can't help it. Come on, we need a breakdown through the 500s, please. I don't like how we're holding. We gotta dump here. We gotta go. It's gotta go right here. Come on. If we don't flush, I'm getting out. I've got the yips. I've got the, you know how you get the golf yips? I got the trader yips. Of course, it's gonna go now. Watch. It's gonna do it. I hate this. I hate it. Man, it's just we need to flush through the 480s, and then the overnight lows are definitely in play. And I'm just gonna miss it. I'm just literally gonna miss this. Oh, I don't know. Hey, Todd Harmon, good morning. You have a good day as well. Hey, Francis. Today I'm struggling with patience. Man, all I needed to do, the biggest problem today, I chased this move, and that was the main reason I took a terrible stop out. And that's the number one issue today. I want to see if we retest the 550, oh, wow, look at that. See, this is what, yeah, see, this is the market being market is being difficult right now, chat. Market is being very difficult. Tested the 480s, and we literally ripped. This is, this is crazy. I don't know, chat. Was there news or something that I did not know about? I did not think that there was news this morning. No, I don't. There was no news at 10. What happened? That was wild. I guess the market just being the market, huh? It's just 10 a.m. Fed President John Williams. I mean, I don't think so. That was crazy, Timbo. Man, now I'm glad. If I was holding that trade and we get a rip up like that, I mean, it's difficult to exit your trade. Like, that's insane. That is insane. All right, I want to see what happened. I want to see if we can retest the 570s. I'm still looking for shorts. I mean, I'm going to be. And we're right back down. Go figure. Tell you what, this is a wild day. It's going to be wild, man. Yeah, it's nothing to see here. Just another 10 a.m. move of 100 points. It was more like how it moved. It literally just jumped from the 480s to the 510s in like a second, which is always looks more like news, but. And here we go again. All right, all right. Man, I feel pretty. Be patient, Nutty. Be patient. Be very, very patient here. The problem is if you're not patient, if you chase a move, you get wicked out on those crazy spikes. Yeah, see, now it's gonna dump, huh? Wow. Man, I want to go short so bad. Mm. Man, I just got to be patient. This is crazy chop. Crazy volatility here. I am doing everything in my power not to trade this. Oh. Man, I'm gonna miss this whole move and it's gonna upset me. I know it will. I know it. I know it. Hey, Design Knob is here. Good morning, June. Oh, the oil train. What's oil doing? Oil kind of died down, but man, the overnight move on oil was parabolic. Actually, sorry, that's silver. Let's look at oil. Man, oil was crazy in the overnight. We went from what, 70s to the 77s. Crazy. It's crazy out here, chat. All right. I'm going to. So hard to trade this. It is so difficult.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Look at that. See, this is why I have to be patient. This market is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Young Tugi, yes, since QuantiGuard's been down, I'm using space, tradespace.net. Hey, thank you, John. Look at this crazy market, man. I don't know. This thing is going parabolic. Here's my problem right now. Like, this 480's kind of held just a little bit, starting to get a little bit concerned and this thing's going to rip higher, but oh man, look at that. Oh.
Order fell.
All right, I'm being an idiot again. Why do I might kill this pretty quickly if I don't. I can't be another idiot. Dump it. Come on, chat. Come on, market. Just go. Take out those overnight lows. Do it. Do it.
Order fell.
I'm just going to scalp this. I'm too scared. This market is crazy. This market is on drugs. What is going on? It's absolutely insanity here. Absolute insanity right here. I'm glad I just scalped that. TCM trades, it's in beta. I'm trying it still. The learning curve can't get it to work right. Oh, I see. Which platform are you talking about? TCM trades. Oh, you mean TradeSpace? So far it has been working pretty well. So far, yeah, okay, TradeSpace. So I had one case so far where I locked out, but it didn't seem to like work. But yeah, so far it's been very smooth. I say that cautiously, but yeah, so far so good. Why is it when you're long or when you're wrong, the losses build up much faster than the winners? I know that one. I know. Tell me about it. I mean, this here was just a little bit of unlucky. Not really unlucky. This was that one trade was a bad entry. I just need to. Yeah, it was a bad entry. And then I got stopped. I stopped out at the highs. this starts to worry me a little bit because we're getting these wicks down here at the 480, 460 area. And if we make a move back above the 560s, this thing could rip higher. We're also, it's 10:11, so after 10:15, 10:30, I'm going to try just to look a little bit. I mean, I still think we go lower, but oh, you were able to trade through your lockout? Okay, TCM trade. I reached out to him. I reached out to the guy at TradeSpace and I informed him of it. I don't know if it's just a glitch for now or what the deal was, but yeah, I want to see what he says or what the deal is. Oh, how you set it up? Here, I can show you. Wow, look at this, back above. So this is what it looks like. And your connections are right here. And right now, everything is working except for my take profit trader accounts. That's the one that isn't quite right. But then if you go to risk and account management, this is where, like, it'll show your P&L right here. Now, so I'm going to, actually, I haven't locked out on these. So I'm going to lock out. And this is how you do it. Now, and you confirm the lockout. The only thing is, like, my Apex accounts, everything's correct. But my take profit trader accounts are not, it's like they're not connected. The P&L doesn't show up. And I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but I reached out to him to see if he can fix it. But I don't know. We'll let you know. I'll let you know, TCM trades. TBT always gives you issues one way or another. Seems like it, John. And look at this, right back down. Oh. Okay. I'm going to try it again. I'm just going to scalp this. I don't trust it. I don't trust these that much, so. It's very, price action is just very parabolic. I would love to see this thing just dump like crazy. Come on, just dump down through the 460s market. You're being difficult. Just dump. I don't know. It doesn't feel like it wants to do it. Piece of trash. This market is crazy. Dump! Oh my word, I seriously hate you. I'm about to just kill this. Dump! I give up. I give up, chat. I have no idea. This thing is, I'm just getting out. I am not messing with this stupid price action. Probably going to rip lower now, watch. You're welcome for those of you that are short. I took one for the team. I took one for the team. Yeah, watch. This is gonna dump now. You gotta be kidding me. Man, this thing is whippy. Of course. Of course, now we go lower. Go figure. I agree, Francis. I do think we're going lower. I do, but it's hard to trade this. It's hard to trade this. Even with one micro, it's insanity. Look at that. Now we're gonna go, you piece of trash. Ah. Man, that's so disappointing. What size I was trading overnight? On my Tradeify accounts, I was trading like 3 to 5 micros, and I think I for the most part 2 to 4 micros on take profit. Look at this thing just now dump. Of course. It's so annoying. So annoying. You were in a trade for 2 hours and 5 minutes? Let's go, MVP. I love it. I hate this. I hate this. Yeah, multiple micros. I hate this. Gotta be kidding me. Oh my, you have gotta be kidding me. Hey, doctor, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. I can't chase this, but now I'm gonna miss this whole move. Oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All right, now we just wait for the pullback and then we go short. That's the plan. We just gotta wait now, be patient. Now I'm just gonna look for a continuation move. We're gonna look for pullbacks and then we're gonna go short. This is probably just gonna rip straight down and make new lows. Yep. All right, 420s. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Come on, man. Now the market's just rubbing it in my face. Unbelievable. Just I don't think there's anything I hate more. There's nothing I hate more than having a bias pre-market. Pre-market bias. Rewind the stream and you'll hear it. This is not me trying to... Literally was looking for a retest of the VWAP and then retesting the overnight lows. And yet somehow we're red $150. Somehow. Go figure. Welcome home. Welcome home, chat. Did I try TradeSpace, Yassine? Yes, I did. I'm currently trying right now. Welcome home. Cannot believe it. I feel like sometimes you just got to look at the overall big picture instead of like into the each day. Like when you watch each tick fluctuate and move 100 points, it's so easy to get scared out of a trade. But when you just sit back, look at the overall picture and just stick with your plan. Easier said than done. Oh, don't remind me. I know. We're, yeah, let's not talk about it. Please give us a review video. I don't have a code. Actually, maybe I do have a code. But I want to try TradeSpace for a while. I want to try it first, and then I will do a review on it. All right, this is annoying. Look at that. We are literally... I cannot believe it. Actually, I can believe it, if I'm being honest. You blew a Tradeify overnight while shorting? No way, Robert Digital. Oh, that's so annoying, especially in the kind of downtrend we had. I mean, we got to get some kind of pullback here before we can just go short. I'm just going to warn you right now, chat. If this thing V-shape reverses back up to the highs, we're going to have problems. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to say that right now. I mean, give me a bounce up into the 440s at minimum. If we have a V-shape in reversal here, it's going to get ugly. I can assure you right now, that is not going to end well at all. Really? Oh my gosh, we're just going to go straight down. We're not even getting a pullback off the overnight lows. That's crazy. I guess the green candle was my pullback. Yeah, my bad. My bad. My bad. I didn't take a micro pullback there. I hate this. I'm going to end up chasing this move. I can feel it. Just embrace it, chat. Embrace it. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. We can't even get a green candle now. Are you serious?
Order fell.
This is only a test, chat. This is only a test. This is not a real trade, okay? This is not a real trade. This is just a test. No, it's fine, chat. This is just a test. I'm not actually in a trade.
Order fell.
Should we worry about the 5% drawdown? What do you mean 5% DD rule? What you talking about, son? No, you lost all your Take Profit Pro accounts. I'm so sorry, man. Oh, you mean the limit down? I guess I didn't think about that, but technically, I mean, how close are we to a limit down? I don't feel like, are we actually that close? What's going on now? Good grief, market, you're insane. You're insane, market. If I accidentally hedged, will they remove the total day profit or just that trade? Just that trade, Radiant. Man, this market is absolutely parabolic. Give me a move back up into this 400 area at the very least. Come on.
Order fell.
All right, V-shaped reversal incoming. I was joking. I was joking, market. Please don't do that. Oh my. I'm not well. Oh my. I can already sense the V-shaped reversal move. It's gonna bounce right. It's gonna bounce right off my entry. Don't you love to see it? Don't you love to see it? Hey, good morning, Alex. Moment of truth right here. Dump it. If we rip back up, we are so cooked. We are so cooked if we rip back up here. It's this is bad. This is bad. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Literally, we can't. My entry My entry is the Great Wall of China. Gotta be kidding me.
Order filled.
Don't talk to me, Chad. Don't talk to me. Stupid. Stupid. Idiot. We might be 100% cooked. I mean, how hard is it just to go lower? Just dump. Dump, you trash can. Stupid. Ugh. I can't. I can't.
Order filled.
dump. Oh, if you don't, if you don't dump right here, I'm going to lose it. Oh my gosh. Dump! Come on! Go! Keep going! Keep going! Uh, I'm not closing this trade until we get to new lows. Okay? Right here. Not doing it. I'm not doing it for emotional damage. I suffered too much emotional damage. Dump it! I'm about to. Chat, we were getting very close to having serious mental issues. This market is. I shouldn't talk. We're not out of this yet. Oh, market, you're funny, man. Very funny. Hey, let's go. Ocala in the chat. That's right. Dump this piece of, you know what, stupid market. I got issues today. Thank you, Ocala. Thank you. If this, I'm not, like I said before, if this thing V-shapes and V-shape reverses, we're going to have problems, okay? I can tell you, I can assure you, there are going to be problems if this thing V-shapes its way back up. That's just, I can't help it. I only have so much, I'm not sure what to call it, but there's only so much I can do. Hang on, I got to take this call. Come on, market. Can you just be kind for once? One time in your life, could you please? Am I going to close this? Am I actually going to close this trade? I just, I'm gonna get so mad if this thing rips higher. I will, and then it will dump. I know that's exactly what I just thought, Matty Matt, which is why I am not closing this trade come hell or high water. We're not closing the trade until we get to the lows. All right, that's my final decision. I'm sticking to it. If one micro is going to blow these accounts, then more power to it. Can you imagine? Can you imagine this thing rips 300 points higher and we we blow accounts with one micro? I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing, market. I know you could do it. I know you could do it, and I know you would do it, and you wouldn't even shed one single tear. But dump it right now, right here. Come on. Down. Come on. Just do it. I mean, how hard can it be? I need to go on a walk. Yeah, that way I could get the new accounts. Dump it now. Do it. Keep going. Do it. Do it. Do it. Go, baby. Go. Go. Please don't fake out here. Please. Please. I can't watch, chat. I can't watch. I can't watch it bounce. I just can't do it. Market, go down. Dump, dump, go. Come on. You are so, oh, you, I can tell it wants to do it. Don't be bashful, market. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on, go tickle. Go tickle the 370s. Go tickle the 370s. Do it. Go. Do it. Do it. Oh, please, no. Please, market, please. If this rips higher right here, I'm about to call Peter Tuchman. Oh my. Oh, I can't. I just can't watch. Mom. Hmm. If this makes new lows right now, chat, I'm not joking. Like, there is no way. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I'm going to call some people. I can't remember if that would have hit my target or not. I'm not sure I want to know. I'm going to look, though. I'm going to rewind the stream. Where was my target? My target was 24,369.75. No, it would not have hit my target yet. Let's not talk about it, chat. Oh yeah, John. The guy's so full of it, John. Trust. It's actually pathetic. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I would actually be so tilted right now. This market is actually, it's a crime scene. It's actually a crime scene. John, did you know that he was so he's been talking about how his website is all about this and that. In the meantime, he's been reaching out to different prop firms and trying to charge them X amount of dollars to be rated in the top 5. It's hilarious. And I have that on 2 different prop firm owners' sources. Oh man, this market is crazy. I actually want to, I mean, I just want to keep shorting, but I'll be honest, I'm scared. I am actually petrified of this market right now. I am officially scared. Look at this. No, I would be losing my marbles right now if I didn't get out of that trade. Ay, ay, ay. I would have been, my target was right here at the 369s, and our low of the candle was, we were like 4 points away from hitting my target. And now we're all the way back up to the 450, 440s. Oh, that's crazy. This market, ay, 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 ay. Yeah, I'm scared. I am officially scared. This market scares me. No lie. I am petrified that this thing is going to rip back up. Wow. Wow. John, Mr. Wall Street, read my last post. It come in. John. Yeah, I have no idea. you are something. Yeah, the markets are officially been diagnosed as schizophrenic. The markets forgot to take their medication this morning. I want to go short again here, chat. I do want to do it, but I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm legitimately scared. Can somebody come here to Florida and hold my hand? Can somebody come hold my hand while I trade this stupid market? Only if you pay for my round of golf later in the day. Deal. Deal. Just trade the range. It's too easy. I'll hold your hand if you let me live with you rent free. Captain Crunch, I do have a spare bedroom. So okay, chat. I gotta take this. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. I can't help myself. Please. I'm just going to scalp, though. I'm too scared to hold this. Unless it's a loser. If it's a loser, I'll hold. Oh, my gosh. I'm kidding, Mark. I was kidding. I'm legit scared of this market. Oh. This scares me. I am legit scared of this. I'm just getting out. I can't do it. I can't do it. Can't do it. Wait. Why? Ocala. Wait, didn't want to do. Oh, really? Oh, by the way, exactly. Oh, exactly, Ocala. I was so hoping. I was hoping and hoping. Oh, of course he didn't do his challenge. You're a bigger man than I am, Ocala, because I would have called that douchebag out so fast his head would spin. It was very funny though, Ocala, when he made that tweet and then you called him out on it and it's like, yeah, let's do a challenge. He immediately got down and is like, actually, I was just kind of kidding. You know, basically admitted to, oh, I was just engagement farming. So you lowered the, didn't he say 10 million in the beginning? Oh, that was too funny. You really should take I want to retweet that so bad. Oh, I got to be careful. I've heard some rumors that Scooter Boy is a little mentally unstable, and I don't want to poke him too much, or he might lose it. And I'm glad I got out of that stupid short. I don't know why anybody would want to go short now. Huh, this guy. Yeah, O'Callaghan. Crazy. Did he lose to his challenge? I don't think he lost it. I don't think they did a challenge, Matty Matt, but Scooter Boy was basically putting out a challenge. You know what? I'm going to find that tweet. Hang on. I'm going to find that tweet. I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it. Mr. Wall Street. Hang on. I want to find it. I need to find this tweet. I need to do it. I'm trying to remember how long ago was that? That was like last week, right? Look at this market. I don't even want to look at the market. I'm out. I'm just thankful I'm not stuck in a long. Man, this market is insane. That is crazy. Wow, I feel, look at this chat. I was 3 points away from my take profit. Oh, I feel like we might have just averted an absolute disaster. We might have just averted an absolute disaster. Because I'm not sure I would have been okay getting out of the trade after I closed. Hang on, where's my executions? Oh my goodness, look. I would be so triggered right now. This actually helps my I'm gonna find that tweet. I'm gonna do it. Watch, he probably deleted it. Oh yeah, here it is. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Look at this guy. 1v1 trading challenge against any prop payout guru. I dare you to man up. 5 million start, race to 10 million, streamed live, blah, blah, blah. And Ocala replied, your other post disappeared. Asked if the winner gets the 5 million or the balance left over. And then look at this. He said, oh, I didn't mean to post it yet. True, it's kind of hard logistically to do 5 to 10. It was more engagement bait, if anything, to see if anyone actually had 5 million. So he got called out, and then he basically admitted, oh, wait, I can't do 5 million because I don't have. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's too funny. All right, now I don't know what to do with this market. I have no idea. I give up. I officially give up. What lockout program do I use? I used TradeSpace. I use tradespace.net right now is what I use. I got nothing, chat. I have no idea what this market is doing. I know I can't keep shorting. I can't do it. Miss Trinac, yeah, I mean, so far I've had a couple glitches, but I'm actually going to try to see if this is if it's fixed now. Man, this is wild. All right, this is only a test. This is only a test, chat. Don't freak out. Test completed. Yeah, so there's, for some reason, it seems like TradeSpace has a difficulty connecting to Take Profit Trader. So, not sure. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. All right, let's, I mean, are we going to reject off the VWAP again? I don't know. We could, but yeah, Trinit, I don't know why they don't enable it. You know they can do it. With a discretion to add only once. Hey, I think that would be good, Matty Matt. I mean, with programs like TradeSpace, you could set that up where your max contract limit is 2 micros. And that would basically, in a sense, do that. Was there news? Was there some kind of news? Hang on, I'm going to check Financial Juice right now. I mean, if we make it back above the VWAP, I feel like we gotta look for longs because we're past 1030. So my daily bias kind of needs to go out the window, and I just gotta trade the trend. I just gotta go with the trend. And right now, the bulls are in charge. The bulls are in charge. They are large and in charge. Yeah, I don't see any news. Market is just being the market, you know? Man, you know the other problem? I'm currently on a fast. I'm on a me and my wife, we're doing a fast together, or a cleanse. I should say a cleanse. We're doing the lemon juice cleanse. So I haven't had anything to eat since Sunday, actually Saturday night. Since Saturday night, I haven't had anything to eat. So my emotional state is very fragile. I'm kind of hangry. I'm starting to get really, really hungry, and I can just tell. I can just tell that I can just get irritated really quickly. It's probably maybe not a good idea to trade when I'm going on a cleanse, but I think we're going to end the cleanse tonight. So, yeah, hangry is a real thing. I don't need sugar. I don't need sugar. You guys are bad. I would love nothing more than, you know what I'm craving right now? I am craving some, I want to go to Cora Steakhouse and get their filet mignon. Oh, that thing is so good. That, and I'm craving salt. I want like something salty. How much weight have I lost? I don't even know. I didn't weigh myself before I started, unfortunately, so I don't really know. Living in Florida made you weak. You need winters in Ohio to make you tough. I'm good, John, but thanks. I don't think I've lost like a crazy amount, but I'm mainly doing it just, I think it's healthy to do like a cleanse every 3 months. I want to try to do at least a 3 or 5 day cleanse / fast every 3 months. Because I always feel better afterwards, and then I also don't feel as bad if I just keep eating junk food. I try not to eat too much junk food, but obviously, yeah, it's a colon cleanse, Sneaky Tube. Yeah, it definitely cleanses out the colon, I can assure you of that. All right, we are officially above the VWAP. Man, I guess, okay, if we are, maybe I need to reevaluate. My initial thesis coming in was, we test the VWAP and then we go and take out the overnight lows. And I guess technically we did do that. I guess we did. I don't know. I just thought we would see a bigger move lower. Obviously, that doesn't seem like it's going to happen. It seems like this thing is just going to rip higher now. And, I mean, I guess we just go with the trend now. I want to not fight the trend like I did yesterday. As you have the legacy Apex account, does this mean you can still have it past the 6 payout? Yes. I can get 6 payouts and more on these legacy accounts, but I'm really not that worried about 6 payouts. I mean, if I get to 6 payouts, great. Right now, I'm just trying to get to the first one. I'm just trying to get to payout number 1. I mean, I guess we're getting there. We're slowly but surely getting there, but it's nothing too crazy. It's been a slow and steady by jerks. I just want to get my Lucid accounts. I just want to have a couple really nice days on my Lucid accounts. Lucid and Tradeify. If I blow these Lucid and Tradeify accounts again, I'm going to ban myself. I'm going to ban myself from purchasing again. I'm going to self-ban. You guys all get worried about getting banned by... I do self-bans. Meanwhile, this market is just going to keep going higher. I cannot believe it. Can't believe it, but I can believe it. All right, we're getting a pullback. Imagine this just V-shapes all the way back down to the lows again. Ugh. I will look for a long if we retest like the 560s here. Ooh, I got to trade on the right accounts. Hang on. Oh, man. Wow. Is this just going to rip? Unreal. We might just be cooked. We might not get another good entry. I want to see if we can if we retest the 550s. I might. It's very slow compared to NQ. Oh, you mean resting hours at 1 and Will Apex let you have 20 accounts on the live program, TCM Trades? I think that's this. It's up to Apex on how many. I don't think you get 20. No. All right. All right. I mean, I guess we just got to jump in. All right, I'll take it. I mean, that was fast. I'm just going to take the previous highs. If we keep going, oh, I'm going to get rid of this fib level, I think. Kind of weird looking on my chart. Yeah, it is, Alejandro. We're just chopping right now. Hang on, Chad. I need to go get me something to drink. I need to get some more lemon juice. Hey, we're back. Hey, getting the pullback. All right, we're back. Man, this thing, come on down, come on down. All right. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna check. All right, a little bigger pullback here. All right, are the 600s gonna hold or not? Oh. Uh. All right, I'm gonna have to close it. We're gonna just take the L. Actually, I'm gonna have my stop below the VWAP. Whoa. What is going on here? All right, I might kill it. This does not look good. Man, this market volatility is just wild. Man. I'm gonna trim some off there. See if the Bulls are still in see if the Bulls are still in control or not. It doesn't feel like they are. So I will take a stop here. All right. Are we going to V-shape back down? It's a pretty violent pullback. It's a violent pullback. Almost 80 points, or 70 points, I guess. All right, can we go? Go, baby, push. Oh, oh man. Oh, come on. Come on, just fill me. All right, I'll take that. Not much of a trade, but man, I tell you what, these pullbacks, this market is on something today. Oh, this market's crazy. Hey, good morning, Tanush. Just trade the range. Just trade the 300-point range. It's too easy. And look at that. There we go. Just, I mean, all I had to do was just hold. I mean, wow, that's 70-point pullback is hard to hold through it. Hey, thank you, Bella. Represent the Apex t-shirt. I think you gave it to me, Bella. You still have delayed data, his words are truth? With who? With who? Hey, Yamil, how we doing? Good to see you. Thankfully, you haven't played Ben and Rose. Well, maybe that's the problem, Frozen North. By the way, chat, I officially bought tickets to a Ben and Rose concert. I am officially going to the Ben and Rose concert, live, in person, front row seats. We are front row VIP seats. That's right, chat. We're officially celebrities. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. He's hopeless without you. Oh no, Bella. Bella, I think we all know, Bella, we both know you are the one that struggles, or do you, maybe I shouldn't air the laundry, but have you figured out how to do your laundry? I will. I'm going to record it. It's going to be awesome. Ben and Rose is going to be awesome. You will not hear me on stage singing, please. Everybody would leave. I'm not a good singer, trust me. It did not happen unless you get a selfie with them. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try not to embarrass my wife, but I'm gonna try really, really hard to. I'm gonna try really hard to get a picture with them. No, it's actually the concert is in Ohio. It is in Ohio. It is going to be in. Let me look. Now I forget the exact place, but I should be able to find it. Sing Fest, Ben and Rose, Freedom Hill. This is in Saturday, May 16th, Harvest Ridge. Front row seats, baby. Let's go, chat. Maybe I'll live stream it. Give them your live channel info so they won't copyright strike you. I should. You're welcome, Bella. I love it. Big tick energy. Soon, big tick energy. Soon. Whoever thought Ben and Rose would be on tour, I wonder if Ben has security. They were in Florida. Actually, I think they're still in Florida. So. Very funny, Bill. Oh, man. Well, now we're just kind of stuck up here at the 600s. We're kind of stuck. I'm so tempted to try a short. I am tempted. We've kind of double topped up here. And we tried to make new highs, kind of failed. Man, I'm tempted. I am tempted to try a short up here. Feel like I'm going against my, I feel like that's kind of going against what I should be, though. I said I was going to trade the trade the trend. I need to, hang on, chat. I am going to test something. This is only a test, so don't freak out. Okay. Test completed. I wanted to check if the lockout feature for Tradeify and Lucid. So that is working. It's only on take profit that it's not currently working. Weird. Wow, look at that rip. Man, this is getting very choppy again. Any news on the Apex ban? Nothing official. Just be patient. I know easier said than done. Look at this. All right, we're about to make new highs on the session, on the New York session. Man, that's so crazy to me. Big tick energy. You've been patient for 8 months. I'm sorry. Okay. I know. Just know that from the information I have hope. That's all I can tell you. I got yeah, we'll just go with that. All right, market. You seriously, I guess, yeah, we're just going higher, chat. Markets only go up. Markets only go higher. Up through the 680s. Wow. I mean, I don't know. We would actually be having a really, really good day. We would be having a really good day if I just didn't take this trade. Like, this trade here was a $250 loss. If it wasn't for that, we'd be having a great day. But that's not how it was. And now we're just going absolutely straight up. I just don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. Hey, Lynn Davenport, how we doing? If I could only get 5 accounts with any firm, which firm should I go with? I'm banned from Lucid. What? You're banned from Lucid? I didn't know Lucid would ban you. I would probably go with Tradeify. Tradeify is very similar to Lucid. Wow. Still not getting the 6 payouts and the cap. That is something I don't get. Cuban coffee trader, what do you mean you're not getting? I'm still not getting the 6 payouts in the cap. It's the hanky-panky market. Yeah, it is. Very hanky-panky. All right, getting another pullback. Getting another pullback. I'm tempted. I'm tempted to give this another long try here. Almost want to see it retest the 660s, but it might not do it. At 6, you get evaluated for live or sent back to the beginning. Yeah, sent back to the eval stage. One thing, I think it would be neat. I think it would be pretty cool if on the 6th and final payout, I think it would be a good thing if they would allow, if Apex would allow you to withdraw from your buffer on that 6th and final payout. Know what I mean? But only the amount of the buffer, like not, but basically allow you to withdraw into the buffer. But it was, I mean, does that make sense? So basically the 6th payout, you could withdraw from your buffer, which would mean you wouldn't have as many, basically it would allow you to withdraw your full account balance. Because right now, what happens with the buffer after the 6th payout, I think as of now, I mean, I think that's where it's not really, I don't know. I'm going to try to get some answers on that, but it depends if you're going to go transition to live or if you're going to go back into sim. I think that's what it depends a lot on that. So I don't truly know. But what is you never able to get 6 and start over? That was my question. Is the 6th payout above the buffer, so no longer is the 6th payout that you can take the entire? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting clear. I'm trying to get some clarification on that, Matty Matt. Some of that stuff I think is those are some valid questions on that 6th payout. But again, like I said, I mean, we're worried about the 6th payout, which, to be fair, I think most of us should just worry about the 1st payout. But hey, I mean, it's still a good question to ask, and I'm gonna try to get some clarity on it. But yeah. But again, like cap payouts, I mean, every prop firm has it now. But with Apex, you basically can run up, I mean, on a 150K account, you can get up to $410,000, which is what makes this way superior. I mean, there's just a lot more. It's just a lot more money. Again, now, the other question that people had that I saw that are some very legitimate questions I'm trying to get answers on is, for example, if someone trades, let's say someone copy trades 5 accounts at a time with Apex. Let's say they get a batch of 5 accounts and they only get 5 accounts to that 6th payout. What then happens? So that's another good question that I'm going to try to get some answers on, but definitely a couple things to get answers on. But for the most part, I feel like it's pretty clear. The new rules are pretty self-explanatory if you can read. Yeah, I know these accounts are kind of back to break even, but you know what looks better than red? I'll tell you. Green. Green looks better than red. That's a fact. When I did the math of your video on Apex, it looked like the 100K end of day was the best ratio of drawdown to daily loss limit payout cap. Oh, it was Mighty Mouse. I actually didn't do those calculations yet. That's actually good information. I just assumed it's the 150Ks. But you might be right. Yeah, Jose, obviously I would recommend if you're trading in groups of 5, once you get to the 5th payout, then work on the next batch of 5 and just make sure, at least for now, you know, until we get some clarity, just make sure you wait to request that final 6th payout until you're requesting it on all 6 or all 20 accounts at the same time. That's, I think, the safest route. I know what my problem is. I can't read. Hey, some of the questions that I get sometimes, I'm convinced people can't read. So hey, Nutty, is Jose. Did you hear of anything from Apex on my case? Oh, wait, Jose. Let me hang on. I'm trying to remember. Let me look. I will, Jose, I'll double check that. Hang on. Hang on. I'm going to, Jose, I'm going to send you an email. Check your email. Hey, no problem, SMG. I want to double check something. You need to make a minimum of 250 for 5 days to get to a payout. Yeah, so the one thing about, like, I was trying to log into Apex. Okay. Hang on. I want to open something here. Oh, what I was saying. Why is that's weird? Wait, Niles, you just finished your lemon juice water. Niles, I got my drink right here. It's starting to get old. Yeah, 5 days across count is how I read it. Yes, that is. Okay, so the key is, Bart, I'm just going to show you here. This is a better way to show you. So this is how I look at it. Like on a 150K account, I think you need $350 profit per day. But you don't need to have that amount. You need that amount for it to count as a traded day. once you have 5 of those days, then it will count as a traded day. So the way I'm going to trade those, if I get to those accounts, I'm just going to trade like normal. And I'm not looking to run up the accounts and get to a payout in 5 days anyway. So I'm just going to wait and it will just naturally happen. It might take 2 months, but it'll just naturally, eventually you will have the profitable days that you need. And that's really, then that's at least how I'm going to do it. I would highly suggest, like, people that are going to try to rush to payout are that I don't think it's going to go well. I think the better way with Apex right now is, especially with trailing, like with the end of day and the daily loss limit, is just, hey, take it slow, and eventually, like, you will get to those payouts. Like, you'll get to the dollar amounts if you're just patient. But having said that, that is one part where I feel like with all these, with the new programs, the minimum profit required per day, that's probably the one that I would, if I could just change one thing on these new plans, that's what I would change. I would lower those by about $75 to $100 across the board. But I don't know. I'm sure they're playing with it, and maybe in the future that will be adjusted. But if I think it's a valid, it's definitely a valid point. But that's how I'm going to do it. All right, we're getting a pullback. I kind of want to try. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. We got to be careful. How do you trade? What's your approach? Well, how do I trade, Simon? It's very sporadic. Hey, Kid Poker. Good to see you, Kid Poker. But yeah. Yeah, 10% of your drawdown. Yeah, I mean, I think that's the one area that I would improve, or I would change if I could. Also remove the day loss limit on funded. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. That is not gonna happen. Oh, you mean on the intraday? I mean, then we're just back to doing the MAE rule very likely, which we don't want that, I guess. All right, I'm going to try. I'm going to try it. See if we can just make another leg higher. Might. Come on, Margaret, just rip it higher. Let's not stress this trade. Just go. Hey, let's go, chat. We are green. We are green. Let's go. Oh, I better close my order. And now we can retire. Now we can retire. Trump is taking questions right now, Kid Poker. Wow. How you been doing, Kid Poker? It's good to see you again. Do you know how to remove the unwanted accounts from Rhythmic? They had an option, but this new update, I can't find it. Oh, I see. BPCFB. Man, I haven't had Rhythmic accounts in a long time. I'm not sure. Good question, but I'm not sure. I know, Golf Guy. I wish they did. Don't get me started, though. Hey, SMG. Tradeify has higher fees than Lucid from one micro trade. Oh, I know. I've realized that, Razier. So I'm copy trading all these accounts together. It's very interesting to see the Lucid accounts have about $40 more in profit than the Tradeify accounts because Lucid has better commissions than Tradeify. Hey, golf season is coming soon. Let's go. I hope you're doing, I wish you well, Kid Poker. Does it typically take longer than 7 days for payout approval? Bays, no, usually it does not. They are backlogged right now a little bit because of the new launch, but they should be catching up. Leave it to Brett to rip you off on commissions. They'll get you. They'll get you somehow. All right, Chad. Let's give me a minute. Hey, we're pulling back again. By the way, guys, the Apex 80, I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but Apex is 85% off, but they dropped their price on the intraday evals. So the intraday evals price got dropped, and now both accounts are 85% off, which means obviously the intraday are a little bit less than the end of day are right now, but the discount is the same. but they dropped the price on the intraday trailing. And we are going lower. All right, chat. You know what? I think we're gonna do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway today, and I'm gonna do a subscriber only giveaway today. Let's do a subscriber only giveaway. We're gonna give away Lucid accounts. Let's give away some Lucid accounts. Hang on. I want to make sure. How many can I do? Exclamation mark NBT will get you in the duck race. Man, this is starting to bleed lower. I kind of want to try longs here at the 620s. I might try it. All right, I might try it. Did we touch? I'm not going to be greedy here. Not going to be greedy. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Man. I don't like that. Come on, come on. It's being annoying. Come on, just go. We'll take it. I'm not going to be too aggressive on these trades. It's 12 o'clock. We might start seeing this thing roll over. All right. All right, 6. It's trying to go higher. It's trying. And right back down we go. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of feels like it just keeps rolling over now. Hey, you pass your first 50K end today? Oh, you're gonna see if you do. Good luck, Cuban Coffee. Good luck. All right, 660s. We're trying to get back up in it. If we can get above the 660s, then we might continue this uptrend. Hey, there she goes. Hey, the Bulls are still in charge. The Bulls are still in charge. I use your code and pass more than 20 Apex evals one by one. What? Wait, what do you do with the past evals over 20? Intelligent prediction. First of all, thank you for using my code. I do appreciate that. But don't activate more than 20 accounts. Don't do it. Even if it allows you to do it, don't do it. They're going to take them away. So yeah, I would highly recommend that you don't activate them, even if you can. It's not going to be worth it. I know in the past there's been a glitch where you can, but they'll catch it. Wait, trade props. Wait, trade props. Are you saying you can activate more than 20, but it just goes into a dormant? But does that mean if you blow accounts, then those will come back? That's interesting. You can activate more than 20. I just activated 25. Trade props. I'm going to confirm that. I did not know that. But that is very interesting. I wonder what happens to him, though. What happens with the 5? Will they come back or... no. Trades by Neo. No, you're not. So you can no longer hedge on the Apex evals. That is no longer allowed. They go into the dormant folder they have on Apex now. I see. But trade props. What I want to know is, so will those automatically become active if you lose some PA accounts then? I would assume so, but trade props. Can you go ahead and blow a couple PA accounts so we can verify? But yeah, you can do OCO orders on evals. That's not hedging. You lost one today and it went active right away. Wow, that's good information. Excuse me. That's really good information, trade props. Okay. Well, hey, shout out to trade props for doing a live test for us. That is good information. That's actually really cool. So, okay, that's pretty cool. I did not know that they allow you to do that. Now we know. That is good to know. All right, well, I take back what I said, intelligent prediction. So it sounds like you can activate them. They just go into the dormant folder. All right, chat, we are ready to do the duck race. Let's do this. Let's pick the names. All right, let's do this. We're going to pick, obviously, 15 names. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. The first name will be Rob Judd. Let's go, Rob Judd. Congratulations. Good luck, Rob. All right, next name is going to be, hey, Dean Bishop. Dean Bishop is in the duck race. Next name, El Torito. El Torito, good luck to you, sir. Next name is Steve-O. Steve-O, good luck to you, sir. Next name, Next Trade Lou. Next Trade Lou is in the duck race. Next name is Phantom Knight. Phantom Knight. All right, let's go. Next name is... Man, for a second, I thought I picked myself. It's Natty Boy. Natty Boy, good luck to you. Next name is Diane Zom. I think that's the right way to pronounce that. I don't know. Good luck to you. Good luck. Next name, Derek Dredger. Derek Dreger. I don't know. Chat, we're cooked. All right, next name, F1 Racing. F1 Racing 78. All right, now we got to remove 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. All right, next name. Man, what are we doing? What is up with these names? You guys are killing me. I can't. I don't know where to start on that name. Cyprian? Caprian? Is it Caprian? I don't know. You guys are... Oh, snap! Look at this, chat. John is in the duck race. Let's go, John. Oh, and the rumors are back that the duck race is rigged. Oh, snap. All right, here we go. Next name, Jai Joe. Jai Joe, good luck to you, my friend. All right, next name, Trade Right Pro. Trade Right Pro. All right, here we go. And this is the final name, and it is Rodri T4D. Rodri, good luck. Good luck to you, my friend. All right, here we go. Let's switch our screens. Oh, not that screen. Good Lord. You guys don't need to see me in that big of a screen. All right, let's shrink ourselves down a little bit. All right, chat. Let's go. Here we go. We got to shuffle the characters one time, obviously, to make sure we meet all the regulations. Okay, here we go. And the ducks are off. Here we go. And we've got a very, man, we got a 5-way tie for first place right out of the gate. We've got Dean Bishop in the grandma duck suit. They did him dirty. Dean Bishop in the grandma duck suit. I don't know that I like his odds. We've got Rodri and Natty Boy in the lead. We've got F1 Racing. And let me try to find John. Where's John? Where's John? Oh, John is all the way here at the bottom of your screen. He's in last place. Looks like his duck is dead. Oh, this is not looking good for John. Here's Cyprian. Cyprian in the Donald duck, trying to make a move. Here is Trade Right Pro. Steve-O now trying to make a move. Oh, and here comes John. John didn't appreciate that comment, and John is making a move. Here he comes, trying to make a move into the lead with 45 seconds to go. We've got El Rito now pushing ahead, taking the lead. Here comes Jai Joe. Jai Joe now, 35 seconds to go. He's trying to make a move, and he takes the lead by oh, maybe not. We've got a 4-way tie. Next trade, Lou, F1 Racing, El Rito and Jai Joe are neck and neck. And here comes Dean Bishop. Grandma Duck. Does Grandma have enough speed? And now Jai Joe takes the lead. Dean Bishop is close behind. We've got 10 seconds to go. John, you better make your move. Here we go. 8 seconds. Jai Joe, El Rito, Dean Bishop. Who's it going to be? Here comes Cyprian, Donald. Oh my goodness, that was a close race. And Donald came out of nowhere. Donald with the win. Oh, does that mean the market should be bullish? I feel like that's a sign. Donald Trump with the win. Amazing come from behind win by Donald Trump. Oh, man, you gotta love to see it. Cyprian Florine Petrus. I think I got your name right. Okay. And we have the official results are in. Here we go. And coming in very close third place, we've got Phantom Knight 89 in third place. And then in second place is El Rito. And as you saw, Cyprian comes in first place. Looks like John came in eighth place and Dean Bishop in ninth. Next trade, Lou in 12th place. Jaijo in 10th. We've got Steve O in 4th. Trade Right Pro in 6th. F1 Racing 7th. Good effort, fellas. Good effort. All right, back to your regularly scheduled programming. Thank you for watching. All right. All righty, chat. Okay. Send me a email. Hang on. Hang on. Let me. All right, chat. Send me if you've placed in the top 3. If you placed in the top 3, please send me an email and I will send you a code for a 50K Lucid Flex eval. Wow, look at this pullback. Wait, you're still pending from the 20th? Roa trades for real? Did you send me an email, Roa Trades? I'm going to follow up on that. Because those, I was told, like, I mean, all of those should be caught up within the next, like, should be caught up this week. Is it, Roa, was it for 2? I just want to make sure I have the right one. I had 3, 2 got approved, 1 pending. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, all right. Wow, look at this pullback. Yeah, see, now we double topped. Seems like we're having a difficult time getting above the 700s. And kind of don't want to. It's tempting to try a long here at the 20s, but I'm not going to do it. You know what? I think it's overall, it's hey, no problem, Roa. Yeah, they were backlogged with the whole new launch and everything, but I mean, they should be getting caught up this week from what I was told. I saw a bunch of approvals that did go through, so I assume they're just working through the backlog. Okay, you had some pending from the 26th. Yeah, Roa, when was the one on the 18th approved? Oh, how did a Lucid Flex work? So Lucid Flex, basically, you can pass the eval. Let me show you. So the Lucid Flex, the 50K, there is a 50% consistency on the evals. And then once you activate, you have basically, you have a scaling plan, 5 days to pay out, max loss of 2,000. 5 payouts till you get to live. Basically, I mean, it's pretty standard. I think you need to, I've never used these flex before, so I'm not 100% sure. But you just need to get X amount in profit. It doesn't tell me here. I'm not well enough versed in the flex accounts. All right, we are continuing lower now. Interesting. Man, I want to buy the dip here. Oh, I want to do it, chat. Oof. Right off the 5-minute 21 EMA. Oh, why not? Oh, I'm not going to do it. No. We're happy with today. Okay, on the 26th. Okay, yeah, then he should have got the 20th too. My Lucid accounts are the direct accounts. Those are the straight to funded accounts on the Lucid accounts that I have. I guess we should have gone long, chat. I liked it. I like that bounce off of that 620 level and off the 5-minute 21 EMA, but we didn't take it. I think I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to call it and see if we can. Yeah, I'm just going to lock out, call it a day. I'm happy with my overall. I'm happy with the day. Good day on Apex, or a good day on Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit. Kind of a meh day on Apex. Considering we were down 200 per account, I'm going to be okay with this. So we are going to go in and lock out right now. Let's just do that live so you guys can see it. Tradespace.net has worked pretty well. Right now, the only issue is they have a little bit of a, he messaged me back and said they're aware of the bug. There's a bug with Take Profit Trader and they're fixing it. Then everything should be running smoothly, but already locked out my Lucid and my Take Profit Trader. And now we're going to lock out the rest of the day on Apex. There it is. All right, chat. Now we're going to test it, make sure it actually worked. Let's see if it worked. All right, this is only a test. I repeat, this is only a test. Hey, it worked, chat. It worked. It closed me out of the trade right away. All right, so we are good to go. I think that's it. I'm going to call it. Thanks, everyone, for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. I am actually really curious what this market is going to do the rest of the day. Are we going to just continue to grind higher, or are we going to roll over? I don't know. I have no idea. But all right, guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate every one of you. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.